A beautiful, characteristic manor house. Located in Aquitaine, France. It offers 7 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Set within 4 hectares of meadows and woodland, this remarkable property has a habitable size of 574 square meters. It offers the rare combination of a fully restored structure with significant interior space, still available to finish to your own style. Major works have already been completed: roofs, facades, chimneys, drainage, insulation, stonework, external joinery and guttering, preserving the character while ensuring long-term security and low future maintenance. A travertine courtyard with its original stone well forms the heart of the estate, and the converted west wing provides flexible space for guests, workspaces or independent apartments. Outside, the grounds include a newly built saltwater swimming pool and a large barn with plumbing and drainage already in place. The asking price of this beautiful manor house is €682,000. Beautifully restored, structurally secure and highly adaptable, this estate offers an exceptional opportunity to create a bespoke family home in one of the most attractive settings in Lot-et-Garonne. Thank you for watching.